Here at the Cincoze booth with Wayne Marcoulier. He's the Senior Sales Director for Cincoze, and we're going to be talking about one of the new machine vision controllers. So can you give us a little bit of a rundown on what the machine vision controller is and some of the target applications and challenges that it solves?
Definitely, yep. So the MD-3000 is a high-performance, scalable DIMM rail computer. It's designed specifically for machine vision applications. That's why we call it the machine vision controller. Instead of focusing on specifications first, we focused on real-world challenges of machine vision application, and we designed this system to address them. Typically in machine vision applications, projects face the same set of constraints, which is limited performance, limited space inside control cabinets, increasing demands for high-speed I/O, and EMC interference in industrial environments.
You mentioned performance. So I know I've heard a lot about performance being a big deal specifically for vision applications.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously performance is a big deal in specifications for any kind of computing.
Sure.
But specifically for machine vision, why is performance such a big deal?
So a computer just has to do several things at once. So it has to process high-resolution images. It has to handle multiple cameras at once, and it has to make real-time decisions based on that data. Extremely important.
And I see we've kind of got a lineup here going from the base unit with expansion modules. And that base unit over there has the fan module attached, but it looks pretty ruggedized. Why does the physical environment that it's installed in, why does that play such an important role here in industrial computing?
Yeah, it's extremely important. Typically it's installed inside of the control cabinet, right? So you'll have limited space inside those type of applications. So we designed this MD-3000 with a scalable architecture who customers could choose from a 2, 4, or 6 bay expansion deck, depending on their application. There's always an increasing demand for high-speed I/O. Computer has to do several things at once, so it's just, it makes it really easy.
So with these expansion modules, I see we've got a few over here. There's extra LAN connections and power over Ethernet and PoE applications. Is that designed for handling lots of cameras and at high speeds? Because again, with machine vision, multiple cameras, high-speed data are really a configurable issue in these environments.
So it's designed, you can handle up to 8 PoE ports for those high-end cameras. Having those types of machines places a lot of constraint or a lot of strain on the CPU performance, on the memory capacity, and on the storage speeds. So the base computer supports 14th generation Intel i7 processors, handle DDR5 memory up to 96 gigabyte, and 2 NVMe SSDs for storage.
Sounds like an impressive machine. Are there any other final thoughts that you've got here just to kind of leave the audience with this Automate show?
Yeah, so we designed this MD-3000 based on real-world applications. So we really just focused on making this, true to what is actually needed in the field and as a true machine vision controller.
Awesome. Well, thank you for giving me a rundown on the MD-3000, Wayne.
Thank you
very much, and enjoy the show.
Thank you.